Welcome back to Mind Over Math. In the last video, we learned the power rule. Now, we go one level higher. Today, we learn the chain rule, the most important rule for solving complex derivatives. By the end, you will be able to differentiate composite functions, use the chain rule step by step, solve AP-style problems, and avoid the most common mistakes. Let us begin. First, what is a composite function? It is a function inside another function. Here is an example. The inside is x squared plus 1, and the outside is the cube. Because there is a function inside another, we cannot use only the power rule. We need the chain rule. The chain rule says the derivative of f of g of x equals f prime of g of x times g prime of x. A simple memory trick is outside first, then inside. Now, let us do a step-by-step example. Differentiate y equals x squared plus 1 cubed. Step 1. Differentiate the outside. Bring the power down and subtract 1. Step 2. Multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 2x. The final answer is 6x times x squared plus 1 squared. Second example, y equals 5x minus 3 to the fourth. Outside derivative gives 4 times the inside cubed. Then multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 5. So the final answer is 20 times 5x minus 3 cubed. A common mistake is forgetting the inner derivative. Many students stop at 4 times 5x minus 3 cubed. That is wrong because it is missing the times 5. The correct answer includes the times 5. Why does the chain rule work? Think of change happening in layers. The outer function changes, and the inner function also changes. We multiply both rates of change. Mixed practice. Differentiate y equals x cubed plus x squared. Outside derivative is 2 times the inside. Inside derivative is 3x squared plus 1. So the final answer is 2 times x cubed plus x times 3x squared plus 1. AP calculus tip. Always identify the inner function, identify the outer function, and multiply both derivatives. Never rush steps. Today you learned what composite functions are, the chain rule formula, step-by-step derivatives, common mistakes, and real AP-style examples. Next video, we will learn the product rule. Subscribe to Mind Over Math for more calculus lessons made simple.